Well, we're getting ready to leave Florida, and we're headed out to Oregon. It's going to take us a few days to get there. We're starting to get all packed up here. I'm going to see, it looks like Dave's got the bikes on already. Yep, this is, I'm doing all the stuff on the inside right now. And let's see where he's actually. Got Miss Begonia here. I've been carrying this plant around for like 4 or 5 years now. Some days look so good, other days not so much. I don't know why it's a mess like that. You getting everything packed up out here?
Trying to.
What'd you do? I saw you got the bikes. What happened to Miss Begonia?
Looked like a squirrel got to her.
Ah. All right, I'm going back inside.
It's hot out here.
Yeah. Oh, he said a squirrel got into Miss Begonia. Well, I don't know what they're going to find in there. I hope it didn't tear up anything. I don't see any leaves. All right, we're moving on. The bad part about storing everything like this is that's our bed. I mean, it's a good place for it to travel, but that means we have to unpack it every night to sleep. Now, I can fit on the couch, but see, look at that. That's our bed. The couch, and right now it's all full of stuff, but we'll get it unpacked too, and it'll look good. I'll show you when it's all ready. There he goes. It was a little hard to get out of there because of that truck. I'm going down to hook up. Lined up just right. Sweet home, Alabama. Alright, we're headed on up to get some gas now. And we're not going to stop at the Buc-ee's. I see the Buc-ee's sign, but we don't fit there. Well, we could probably, but Buc-ee's is crazy with the parking. So, we are going on up to the Love Station. If you don't have, this is a little promo for Open Roads, which we don't get anything paid for it, but we're going to use the Open Roads app, and we found a Love Station close by that will fill up there and then keep going on. I think our first stop is in Mississippi. Is that right, Mississippi?
Vicksburg, Mississippi.
Yeah, it's a battlefield campground, something like that at Vicksburg. So it should be pretty interesting. Hopefully it's not going to rain the whole time. Where do we stay after Mississippi? Is it Arkansas?
Arkansas. I forget, I think it starts with an L.
Lake Dardanelle or something.
Yeah, Lake Dardanelle, Arkansas State Park.
When we planned this trip, we looked, tried to find campgrounds, and then tried to find diesel stations. So we got them kind of marked in a book for most of the trip. Some of them will kind of wing it when we get out that way and start looking at about a half a tank or something. Because we get out west, the roads are further apart.
In 2 miles, take exit 44 toward Bay Minette.
Looks like traffic slowed way down up there.
like it's moving to me.
This is our exit for the love station too. Hopefully we won't get in too many of these congested areas.
Yeah, it's summertime. I got a funny feeling we'll be hitting them all the way to Oregon.
Well, when traffic's like this, it's very seldom somebody will let you in, isn't it?
A car, yes. Truckers will let you in a lot of times, but usually cars won't because they want to get in front of you.
Yeah.
Lightning out in front of us.
Oh, that's great. I was hoping we wouldn't get any more rain.
I think we got another hour or so of it.
Over down here over on the side, you'll see that road. That's the Causeway Road, and the lower parts of it floods over in big storms. You see it down there a little bit. We made it out of Alabama. We're in northern or western Mississippi. We're almost at our first stop in Vicksburg, Mississippi.
No idea how close to the road it is either.
Well, worst comes to worst, we'll just sit.
House is right there.
We'll just sit at the stop sign for a minute. As long as we can get back on this exit. You saw it at exit 20? Well, there it is.
Take the ramp ahead.
Here's an aerial view of the Vicksburg, Mississippi Battlefield Motel campground. Here's our planned route, 9 overnight stops to Grants Pass, Oregon. Thanks for traveling with us today. We'll see you tomorrow for the next leg of the trip. You saw what the begonia looked like earlier in the video. This is what it looks like now.